The EMA 50 truly is at present at $0.001, which certainly is very critical. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar especially as areas of strength for truly, by and large is genuinely huge. SPEL United States dollar for the most part is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bears control SPEL's especially current cost activities in a truly significant manner. 24 September 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through truly SPEL's certainly token cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified some things, facts. What truly is somewhat transient cost expectation for sort of SPEL token really is generally SPEL an excellent interest in an extremely enormous manner. SPEL especially token help and obstruction levels and so on, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping most certainly profound into the SPEL specialized investigation, explicitly let us sort of discuss the by and large current economic situations, or so they really thought. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,043,861,656,281, so the EMA 50 basically is as of now at $0.001 in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $17,771,514,007, exceptionally further appearance how SPEL United States dollar basically is defied with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009690 in a sort of huge manner. Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%. So Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in a huge manner. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15%, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value reduction of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, kind of additional appearance how bears control SPEL's truly current cost activities, which for the most part is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time span. So various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, genuinely further appearance how bears control SPEL's truly current cost activities. Essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere around 1.24 and at present exchanging at 50 cents, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a very descending bearing for pretty momentary and an unobtrusive manner. As of now, and especially broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they in every practical sense, thought. SPEL pretty symbolic help and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that for the most part SPEL certainly token help and obstruction levels, and so on in a genuinely significant manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly more beautiful dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any exceptionally further in a huge manner. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers explicitly become move most certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they basically thought. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of certainly SPEL kind of token, SPEL, explicitly SPEL kind of symbolic execution. The cost of sort of SPEL genuinely token, SPEL, basically is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and really has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, showing how moreover. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while sort of complete market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours. Further appearance how bears control spells in every way that really matters, current cost activities, or so they most certainly thought. There truly are practically 103,446,920,678 by and large are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, which certainly shows that XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 1.24 and at present exchanging at 50 cents in a genuinely enormous manner. Spell truly token value examination for the most part spell cost investigation for 24 September 2023, inside a sort of everyday time period in a real sense, made sense of beneath, so one-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while kind of complete market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value reduction of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, sort of additional appearance how bears control spells truly current cost activities in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward, moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the spell token. Exhibiting that following truly are the help and obstruction levels of basically spell genuinely token, spell in every practical sense, spell pretty symbolic execution. The cost of certainly spell certainly token, spell, especially is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours, and by and large, has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. While Spell's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange genuinely signal for the most part is truly conceivable at this reach, which by and large shows that we utilize relative strength index RSI. Moving kind of normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving certainly